Well, hi, it's Carol Springer. I'm with Gabriel Sales, and this is a quick tutorial on how to add a function within this page layout. This is in the leads object, and I want to add the create a task button. It's not here for some reason. So either it's not permission to me or it's not on the page. In this case, it's not on the page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the object. So I can go to two different ways. I can go here, edit object, and I'll land over here. And then when I get to the leads, I'm going to go to page layout. And then this area over here, these are called mobile actions. So mobile and lightning actions. And I'm going to look for something called create a task. So where is that? Oh, actually new task. So new task, I'm going to put it right here next to log a call. And did it no, it ended up over here. Slide that over here. So I'll drag and drop. And then here's another little quick trick. If I hit save, it closes out this page. So if I just hit quick save, that'll save the layout. And then I go back here, refresh this page. And sometimes it could take like 15 minutes for whatever reason. But now it's right here. So boom, I can add a task. So if you have any questions about page layouts, page actions, the really cool thing about Salesforce, everything is super agile and customizable, but sometimes a little tricky to find out where to do what. So let me know if you need any help in the future. Thank you and have a great day.